everybody? Today is the day our friends over at LIAN has done it again. They have just dropped some new O11D colors. Let's get into it. Alright, so if you guys have been following Vyral for a long time, you guys know we are a big fan of the LIAN O11D case. It's really what put us on the map, and our friends over at LIAN have dropped a bomb on all of us out of nowhere, and we cannot be more excited to get into these three brand new colors available in the LIAN O11D. We have lime green, we have blue, and we have a vibrant yellow. Let's get into these, unbox them, show you what they look like. We might even be building in one. I think we might build in, let's do the green. I think we're gonna build a green one. Stick around and let's get into it. All right, let's get into this bad boy. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, sir. This thing is vibrant. Take a little peek at that. Man, let's get into this. You guys ready for this? Wow. Look at that. Vibrant. They're calling it dynamic green. And boy, is that dynamic. The finish on it, it's a smooth lime green finish on the regular black case. Oh, look at this. Very great detail. They got it even on the bottom and on the bottom of the feet, right in there, and all along the back. How pretty is this? Wow. It's got a gloss type finish to it, very smooth. Looks like it's gonna be very, very durable. It might have been powder coated, it might feel like. That'd be a powder coat job, but it goes all the way into the bay and through the back there, if you can see that. There she is. That is the green. Let's get into the yellow. Yellow. Dynamic yellow. Let's go. Box cutter. Check. Okay. Okay. Wow, this thing just as beautiful as the others. Dynamic yellow. Wow, that thing is electric. It's electric. So, Austin is gonna have a ball building in this thing. I can already hear his wheels turning. I cannot wait to show you what we come up with. Look at that yellow. Black and yellow. Are there any Pittsburgh fans in the house? Probably not many. Wow. Bumblebee, anybody? Look at this. Let's take this thing apart. And Transformers theme. What do you guys think of Transformers theme? Man, there's so many options with these colors that we could do. I mean, my wheels are already turning and I'm not even the creative one. Austin, as everyone knows, is the creative one. And I just cannot wait to see what he comes up with. These are gonna be insane. And really just everybody out there. It really gives everyone the ability to make their build unique and stand out and different and customize it to you. I mean, isn't that what it's all about, is making things yours and personal? I mean, this thing, look at that. So many options. It just unlocks so many options of creativity and uniqueness. And I cannot wait to see all of these builds all over social media and YouTube and just kind of seeing what people are doing with it. I just love seeing everyone's build with these. If you do end up building with one of these cases, drop it below. I'd love to see what combinations you have come up with, because these things are just going to be, I mean, hats off Leon Lee. What more can I say? All right, let's get into the dynamic blue. Here we go. Man, these cases are just, the vibrancy of them is just off the charts. It has a really great finish to them. I really enjoyed the green. Let's see what this blue, oh yeah. That is blue, little sneak peek. Man, we just love everything Leon Lee has been doing lately. Leon Lee has been changing the game. We love all things custom here at Vyral, as you know, and Leon Lee is just making it easier and easier for us to get some builds that are different and unique. You can kind of see through that little peeking. I'll be peeking. Here we go. Wow, that is an electric blue. Again, same awesome finish. No defects whatsoever. Goes all the way around. And man, that blue, even with the glass on, pokes through. Not as loud as the green, which I enjoy. That green is loud, I love it. Especially just wait until Vyral gets a hold of it. That thing is gonna be amazing. What do you guys think of that? How cool is that? I hope you guys are picking up just the vibrancy of this blue. Very vibrant, very good finish. Not as glossy as the green was. But all the way around, it's just very, 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 very nicely made. Hats off to our friends at Leon Lee. Yeah, let's get some close-ups of this bad boy, huh? Wow, how cool are these cases? The dynamic green, the dynamic blue, and the dynamic yellow out of left field from our friends at Leon Lee. Thank you, my friends. I cannot wait to see what all of you create in these cases. If you do create a build in one of these cases, please link it below and make sure you hashtag Vyral, V-Y-R-A-L. I would love to see all the creativity across the landscape of social media. I just cannot wait to see all the unique things you guys come up with out there. And I cannot wait to see all the unique things we come up with. We will have these builds on our website, viraltech.com. We will not be selling just the cases, full builds only, but man, I cannot wait to get into these. Also, do not forget to enter, Is Your Setup Vyral? If you have not heard of Is Your Setup Vyral, we are doing a setup championship to win this beautiful acrylic trophy. This will be customized with your gamer tag, your name, your handle, whatever you want across the bottom, the month and year that you won, and we will be featuring you on our YouTube page for months and months and months to come. So if you would like your setup featured on our page, please hit the link in the below, submit your setup, and we cannot wait to review them. That's all for us today here at Vyral Tech. I'm so thankful that you guys joined us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We cannot thank you enough for being here, watching alongside of us, unboxing these. Thank you for being along for our ride. Thank you for being a part of the ride. Make sure you hit the link in the description below. Become a part of our community. We have a great community there of streamers, content creators, gamers, and just tech enthusiasts that are always willing to help. So if you're into that sort of thing, click the link in the bio and we'll see you there. See you next time.